The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is officially stepping out of Samsung's comfort zone. After years of cautious, almost recycled upgrades, leaks now paint a picture of an Ultra that finally moves forward in design, display, performance, and daily usability. Design is the first clear shift. Based on CAD files and hands-on models from OnLeaks, the S26 Ultra abandons the sharp, boxy feel of recent Ultras. Corners are more rounded, edges are chamfered, and the phone is thinner and lighter in hand. Samsung has ditched the floating camera rings seen on the S25 Ultra and replaced them with a raised dual-layer camera island. The phone itself measures around 7.9 millimeters thick, while the camera area reaches roughly 12.4 millimeters. To soften the visual impact, Samsung uses a layered structure similar to the S25 Edge. Premium metal camera rings are back, replacing the plastic ones. Leaks from Ice Universe also reveal 4 base colors: Black Shadow, White Shadow, Galactic Blue, and Ultraviolet. Notably, Samsung has dropped titanium branding. This strongly suggests a return to aluminum following Apple's recent move, likely for cost savings, weight reduction, and improved thermal management. Cameras are a mixed story. Hardware upgrades are limited. The main camera and 5x telephoto receive larger apertures, but the 3x telephoto and ultra-wide sensors remain unchanged from the S25 Ultra. Where Samsung tries to compensate is with software. According to Ice Universe, the new camera algorithm finally delivers realistic skin tones with no artificial smoothing or color distortion. Portrait photography is said to be one of the most noticeable improvements. There's also a new optional 24-megapixel shooting mode, offering more detail than the default 12-megapixel, with slightly longer background processing, but shutter lag remains virtually zero. The display is where Samsung clearly dominates. The S26 Ultra uses a new M14 OLED panel with COE technology, improving brightness, efficiency, and color accuracy. But the standout feature is the privacy display. Discovered in One UI 8.5 and powered by Samsung Display's Magic Flex Pixel tech, first shown at MWC 2024. Tipster Ahmed Quaider, claiming hands-on use, says the screen looks completely normal head-on, but becomes nearly black from side angles, even at maximum brightness. Performance is locked in. Samsung is bringing back its dual-chip strategy, but not for the Ultra. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus will use Exynos in select regions, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra gets the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy globally, no exceptions. Geekbench scores confirm it as the fastest smartphone right now, outperforming the iPhone 17 Pro Max thanks to higher CPU and GPU clocks. Charging finally improves. Wired charging jumps to 60 watts, and Samsung adds 25-watt magnetic wireless charging, its own MagSafe-style solution. Battery capacity remains unchanged. Multiple sources, including Evan Blass and Korean media, confirm Samsung unpacked on February 25th, with sales beginning around March 11th. Pricing is expected to rise in most regions, while US pricing should remain the same to stay competitive with Apple.